Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. We have another
American
video.
doll.
It's our generation, called Our Generation. So here's the doll. If you guys haven't seen the unboxing, check it out. And she also got a well-traveled luggage set. Look guys, it comes with all these stuff.
I really like this.
Let's open it. Look guys,
A bag.
open it. Right here. Oh, it even has wheels, huh? Open it right here.
Oh wow.
And then it comes with the little camera.
With some stickers. There's the stickers.
Oh, stickers. Let me see. Oh, look, some stickers.
Mexico.
It comes with the travel journal. Ooh. It also comes with gum.
Gum.
Focus. So cute. Oh my god, look, it comes like it's clear, but it's cute. Comes with one of these little baggies. Comes with the little pen. Oh my god, so cute. It comes with the tag for the suitcase. Comes with the little pillow for the, it's a travel pillow.
Yeah.
It comes with the ticket when you travel. Some, what is it, sunscreen or? Yeah, sunscreen.
Yes, some.
Comes with the little passport. Oh my god, this is so cute. Her name is Reese. Put the stickers in the suitcase. It comes with the map. Oh wow.
Oh yes.
Oh, here's the boarding pass. Oh, you put it in here. The boarding pass. Like this. So cute. It comes with candy, crackers,
Where's the card?
a toothpaste, little tooth. Ooh, a little case for the toothbrush. Comes with a little toothbrush. Oh, with the case in here. Comes with what's this? Oh, conditioner, guys. Conditioner. And the shampoo. It comes with a little tray to put all the food.
Maybe turn it around.
No, it's like this.
Put the food. Put the food.
Oh yeah, the food, look. You put all the...
Whoa! Some braid on the side of it.
Oh.
Open this thing.
There you go, look.
I don't know.
It comes with these, like jelly or cheese. Look at the little food tray. Oh my god. Well, that's it, guys. That's our little unboxing for traveling. And that's the doll. If you guys haven't seen the doll unboxing, check it out. Don't forget to subscribe, guys.
Bye.